Hi, thanks for tuning in. Today I literally just got a package in the mail and it's a really exciting piece that I've been looking forward to. I thought it would be really fun to do a live unboxing. Like, I've never seen what's inside here before, so you can see my pure reactions to it. It's from the latest 21K collection from Chanel, so that's Fall Winter Act 2. I feel like there's been some mixed thoughts on the collection, or the colors from the collection. I was really anticipating it because of some of the kind of pastel-y tones that were included as part of that collection. And there was a specific style that had caught my eye that I really wanted to try out and see how it works for me. So super excited that I managed to get my hands on it, and let's unbox it together. If you're tuning in for the first time, hi, I'm Katie. I like to do these luxury fashion videos here on YouTube. I share hauls and reviews, but at the end of the day, I share my journey so we can all mindfully curate our own collections. So if you like what you're seeing, please subscribe to my channel, like this video, and leave a comment down below with your thoughts on the 21K collection. All of your support really means a lot to me. I got my box cutting tool and my package here, and woohoo! Let's dive right into it. This is what it looks like right now. There we go, the inside. Ooh la la. Here's the box. There's actually a little box too. Woohoo! All right, let's start with this first box. Let me put it on my lap so that maybe you guys can see. Oh, these camellias are new. Oh, you know what? I think I remember my essay mentioning once that they were going through their packaging, so their paper bags and their camellias, and that they were updating them to be more eco-conscious. Because this looks like it's like a paper camellia, but it's like really sturdy. It almost felt like, you know, those plastic ones they made for holiday a couple years ago? I almost thought it was plastic. That's how sturdy this one feels. But yeah, the camellias are definitely more like paper now. Still cute, still cute. All right, let's dive right in. Ta-da! Oh, there's my receipt. I'll focus this video more on my reactions than the whole unboxing sequence. Can you guys guess what's in here? Here it is. Oh, I got a little glimpse. Wow! Ooh la la. Here we go. This is the My Perfect, I believe that's what it's called. The My Perfect bag from the 21K collection. It is in the iridescent light blue color. As always, I will put the information in the description box down below so you can have the details. So the cool part about this bag is that there is a cinching mechanism so that you can change the length of the strap. So let me go ahead and unravel this part so we can take a look at that. It's definitely bigger than a classic square mini, which is nice. Here we go. Here's the strap. This is the little cinching mechanism. Oh! So if I put it all the way to the other side, I can make it like a short handle shoulder bag. Cute. And then if I cinch it all the way back, it turns into a longer strap, and this brings it all the way down to where it's pretty much like a good crossbody. Oh, I like that. Let me take off the white felt. The inside has a pocket, like a zipper pocket, and that's it. So this is what the bag looks like. I'm almost matching in color. And I think I don't have a square mini, the classic square mini. I don't have one in my collection, but I do believe this one's slightly larger than the square mini. I actually think this might be very similar in size to the sequin mini flap that I have. It's actually a really nice size. And the caviar, so this is in the iridescent blue, it's caviar leather with antique gold hardware. The caviar is actually really soft on this one, where the sides you can see are actually like a little puffy, if that makes sense. And they're it's like a very soft caviar leather. One side has a Chanel kind of anchor for the straps, and then one side has more of a loop, and that's where the strap kind of goes through. I really like this bag. I really like the construction of this bag, if you will. I like the concept and the style, and that's why I think it's caught the eye of a lot of people, and there has been a lot of interest in this style. I'm not going to lie, I don't know if I love this color. I think it's because in the photos, I thought it was much more of a light blue, like a light baby blue, almost like a blue broom color from HERMES. And I didn't know it was iridescent until my SA sent a picture once it actually arrived to be able to send it to me. So I can't say I like love the color. It gives me a little bit too much of like kind of kitschy mermaid vibes, to be honest. I wish it was more of a solid color. I wasn't, and it doesn't help that I wasn't looking to add an iridescent, but I really like the construction of this bag. Like, I like the concept with the straps. I like the shape, and I like the size. I like the versatility you get in the strap without having to kind of fold it over into the flap, which is what I do with most of my bags. So I do think I'm going to keep it because I like it. Like, I like the style of bag enough that I think I'm going to keep it. I do suspect that with the amount of interest and with how popular this style is going to be, I do think Chanel is going to come back with it. Just like the classic mini with the top handle, how that exploded and they're pretty much coming out with it every season. I think this might be a bag that comes out again next season. If not next, the following one. If I had to bet money, I'm going to bet that this returns because people are interested in it. Once they see that, they'll start creating more. So if you don't like this particular color, maybe keep your eyes peeled in the future collections. There might be more that come out in more classic colors or solid colors. This is definitely a cool bag. I like it. I really like it a lot. All right, and then for the second piece in this little box, I think you can guess the category of item in here, just based on the shape and size of this box. Ta-da! Ooh! Ooh! All right, this is the lavender or lilac colored flap card wallet, classic flap card holder. This is the other color from this 21K collection that I was really interested in checking out. And it is in the lilac lavender. It's a caviar leather with silver hardware. And it is the flap style card holder because I don't actually have this style in my collection. If you watched my walk-in closet video, you know I have a visual reminder of how I don't need more SLGs. And I broke that rule. I made an exception for this one because I love this color so much. You guys might know that lilac is like my color now. I like to wear lilac. My hair is kind of lilac. Like, I really like the color. I like having it around me. And when I saw that there was lilac in this upcoming collection, I was definitely interested. I definitely wanted something in lilac. Ideally, if this bag came out in that lilac color, I would have gotten it in that lilac, hands down, like no questions asked. But because that came out in the blue, there was the classic mini with the handle that came out in a lambskin lilac. I don't know what it is about that bag, the classic mini with the handle. I'm not in love with the proportions of that bag, of the mini with the top handle. I'm not so sure about that one. So because of that, that's why I decided to pass on that and actually get this bag, the My Perfect bag, because that one was so much more interesting. Because I couldn't let go of my lilac dreams, I was like, let me get an SLG in it and let me get it in the card holder that I don't have, because at least it will be a style that I don't already have. I can try it out. I can see if I like it. You know, I'm just justifying. So this is the flap style that has the big compartment in the middle. There's one slip pocket in the front and one slip pocket in the back. If you're interested, I can definitely do like another card holder comparison video between the flat style and this kind of flap style. Just let me know in the comments down below. These are the 2 new bits that I got from the 21K collection from Chanel. You also know that I recently came back from Hawaii and I had a massive HERMES haul. So I am definitely on Ban Island. Like for sure, I'm on Ban Island for a while. I think this is the first Chanel handbag that I got since my sequined Chanel. I mean, it's still like within a year, so it's within 12 months. But it's been a while, I think, since I've got a Chanel handbag, because nothing really stood out, to be honest. Nothing was really worth it, honestly. And then there were all these crazy price hikes and everything I just looked at, I was like, is it really worth that much? And nothing really gave me that yummy feeling and really got to me like this one did. So that's why I wanted to jump on it before I regretted it completely. But yeah, I'm pretty good in the handbag department, and I'm definitely good in the SLG department for a while. So I think I'll definitely be happy using a lot of the handbags that I have in my collection now. If I haven't already, I may be doing a bit of a closet clean out as well. So definitely stay tuned on my Instagram and my communities page. I will put some sort of notice out if I am doing some sort of closet sale, in case some of you guys are actually interested in that. Would you like to see a comparison video of this new Chanel bag with like some of my other mini styles? Would that be helpful? Like, let me know in the comments down below. Other than that, those are the 2 items that I picked up from Chanel recently that I really like. I'm going to keep them. Let me know if you picked anything else up from the 21K collection. If you have any questions on any of these items or really anything at all, feel free to leave them down below or head on over to Instagram and I'd be happy to help however I can. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. I really appreciate all of your feedback and support. If you like this kind of content and you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel. I post new fashion related videos every Sunday and Wednesday. So until next time, bye!